another tip video. Krystal here, and today we're gonna go through how to pack and plan the perfect capsule wardrobe for a summer vacation.
Have you ever had to cancel a trip because you couldn't get your suitcase closed? Have you ever experienced romantic hardship because you spent too much time packing? Of course you have! Oh hey, I'm Eric Nagel, and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about how we can reduce your packing stress and make your travel as easygoing as it could ever be. Introducing the capsule wardrobe. With the capsule wardrobe, you'll be able to reschedule all those canceled plans because there was no conceivable way you won't be able to close your suitcase. Also with the capsule wardrobe, packing will no longer be the reason or excuse for your romantic hardship.
The only drawback to traveling is the packing piece, and I am the worst overpacker in the world. The only way that I can make sure that I'm not overpacking, but I'm also gonna have everything I need, is to create a capsule wardrobe. I've created a 27-piece capsule wardrobe, and today I'm gonna be sharing with you the top 3 tips that you need to know to create your own. Tip number 1 is all about the color palette. The color palette is so important before you even start throwing items in there because you need everything to match. So no matter what colors you're choosing, you need to make sure that they're all going to match well together. For me, this usually means choosing 3 solid colors and then throwing in a pattern. So my solid colors, my go-tos are black and white. I've chosen an olive green for this, and then also a blue pinstripe pattern, just to throw in a little bit of flair. Your colors can be more bold than that, but do keep in mind that when you're playing off neutrals and blacks and whites, things are going to be a lot more versatile, especially when you start combining different tops and bottoms. All right, tip number 2 is all about layerability. The more layers that you have, the more versatile everything becomes. So the reason I can get away with only having a handful of shirts and a handful of pants is that I layer different things on top of them and can switch in between tops and bottoms and still have whole and complete outfits. So each of these combinations will give you a different look depending on what you need. My favorite way to layer is with a linen pinstripe shirt. This piece is so versatile. It can be worn with jeans or with shorts. I also love a linen button-up because you can change the way that you wear it up top. So before I had it tied, I can also button it and leave it tucked in for a little more of a boyfriend look. Another key piece I love to bring along is a casual blazer. A casual blazer can really add a nice flair to a really regular outfit. So while you would probably wear this just out during the day, if you're going to a nicer restaurant or if it's getting a little chillier at night, the casual blazer is the perfect way to dress this up. If you need an even fancier look for your blazer, you can take it to a nighttime look, pairing it with some faux leather leggings. And last but not least, my favorite layer of all is this travel wrap. This travel wrap is so many different pieces. It's perfect for a travel outfit. If you get cold on the plane, you can use it as a blanket, or it can also be used as a cardigan. So this is perfect for one of those chillier nights when you're out and you need a little something to put over a tank top or a dress. And the best part is it can also be used as a scarf to really warm you up if you're going into a little bit of a colder climate. Those are my 3 favorite layers for traveling. Layers are so important when you travel because it's gonna allow you to wear all of your tank tops and your dresses and your t-shirts in different ways and create more looks with what you have. Lastly, tip number 3 is all about functionality. So what that means is you don't want to pack anything into your suitcase unless you're absolutely sure you're going to use it. So we've already talked about all of your options needing to be versatile. That plays into functionality. You need all of your options to be able to be dressed up for something fancier, but also to be worn down casually in case that's more of the atmosphere. So overall, in terms of functionality, don't put something into your suitcase unless you can think of multiple times that you'll be able to wear it. All right, those are my 3 tips for creating a capsule wardrobe to help you pack. If you're anything like me and packing stresses you out, hopefully this alleviates some of that stress and will help you create a better packing experience for your next trip. If you have any tips of your own, leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of our travel tips. Bye!
Yeah.